So I haven't been off-road in a few weeks. Holy shit. Oh. Shit. Okay. So 30 seconds in and I'm off the bike. I try to make sure if she goes that way. Definitely not out to do with kids. Oh no. The gear selector's bent. I'll go down. Super. Okay, so the gear selector is stuck. So I just take a few spanners and stuff out of the toolbox to try and bend it out a bit. Fuck me. Okay. I'm gonna try going up again. Different path. Okay, there's been somebody up here already today. I can hear a bike somewhere. Let's have a little looky where it's hard to see now with the mist. Possibly something for another day. And what I'll do is I'll walk it first. Pick a line. Rather than just blindly going up. Alright, let's see what's down this way. The sun's coming out, which is nice. Those bastard flies go away too. My face is swollen from them. So just be careful not to press the front brake too much, because it will just wash out on the grass. I've already picked the bike up twice. In the first minute or so, yeah. Shit. Why did I even mention it? Hopefully the last time. So you can just see where the front kind of locked up. The indicator's gone. I knew something would have to go. something with that indicator. It's flopping around a lot. This definitely doesn't look like something the CB is going to want to do. I think this will be something for another day. Kind of does look like it wants to go, but not today.